Jump ball between Fernando and Sabala. Ball is up. First possession, makukuha ng Team Red. Fernando on the move. Rebound by Sir Sabala. First rebound of the game. Here's number 27, sidestep in. Pass to Sir Sabala. 2 points. First 2 points. Galing din kay Sir Sabala. Sir Rasi. 3. There's number 27. Gandang galaw. 2 points. Sir Villamor, pass to Sir Rasi. Hindi kukonekta ang double 3 points. Sir Fernand for the rebound. Wala. Nakukuha ni jersey number 16. 0-6. Binigay kay Sir Sabala. Rebound pa rin ni Sir Sabala. Rebound by Sir Sabala. Is it 2 points? 2 rebounds plus 2 points. Sir Villamor loses his dribble. Pass to Sir Fernando. Sidestep in and out. Kay Sir Fernando. 2. Our official score is 6-5. Sir Sabala, inibigay jersey number 27. No good. Rebound by jersey number 27 din. Puwersa! Grabe, ginamitan ng muscle. 2 points by Sir Fernand. Sir Cabos, wala. Rebound by Sir Fernando. Pass to Sir Villamor, 2-1 situation, lays it up, no goal. Rebound by Sir Rasi, fires from 3. Lista mo na, 3 points. Sir Sabala, behind the back, on the move, Babangga, Pepeke, full up jumper is good. Sir Villamor dribbling the ball, pass to Sir Villamor. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 27. Good jersey. Ay, grabe lang yan. Sir Fernand, pass to Sir Villamor, to Sir Villamor, no goal. Sir Rasi, for the third time, 3 points. Tatlong tres sa first quarter, coming from Sir Rasi. Sir Canayo. Tumira, wala. Sir Sabala para sa rebound. Shot clock is down to 5. Sir Sabala. Bang! Pinapalista na. Ilista ko na daw ang 3 points na yun. Sir Villamor, pass to Sir Rasi, to Sir Villamor, fires from 3. Out of bounds. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sir Sabala setting the play. Ibibigay kay Sir Fernand para sa steal. Second 5 pag ready na. Aatake, Babangga, gagamitan ng muscle. Tututok, wala yan. Maririwan ni jersey number 27. A lot of jersey number 27. Sir Villamor, 2. Sir Sabala, tututok. Basket. Substitution rep. Last the jersey number 28. To Sir Mega, to Sir Rasi. Pang-apat na yan. Parang ayaw sumablay nun. Jersey number 75. Sir Yagi. Pass to Sir Rosales. 3 points. Sir Megan. Pass to Sir Fernand. To Sir Rasi. Back to Sir Fernand. Sa mid-range. Wala. Rebound by Sir. Sir Rivas, pass to number 25, back to Sir Rivas, sidestepping, Tuto. 2 points by Sir Rivas. Sir Villamor to Sir Fernand, sinukanan, kaso nabudata. Reverse layup, coming from Sir Megan. Shot clock is down to 10 for 3. Sir Yaku. Sir Villamor. Wala. Rebound by Sir Fernand. 2 points. Sir Upton, inbound the ball, pass to Sir Rivas. Sir Rivas, nagkap ng papasahan. Atake, ibibigay kay Sir Rosales. Ayun, tinutok ni Sir Hampton. 2 points by Sir Hampton. Sir Villamor, papasabit, foul, counted. Technical yun ha, technical, pumapasok. Foul, jersey number 26, Rosales, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, bonus try is good.
Bakit may magkakasin ng number?
Sir Rivas. Setting the play, pass to jersey number 27, Sir Falia.
Sila ba nag-desisyon yan?
Grabe, kinuha ng rebound, pass break. Natapon lang ang sabaw.
May dalawa eh. 26.
Sa team na pareho, sa isang team lang, pwede naman yung magkaibang team na magkaibang number, na magkapares na number.
Sir Yagi. To Sir Rivas. Tutok, wala. Another rebound para kay Sir Megan. Ayun, may reaching foul coming from jersey number 26. And that his second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ribas yung
Still by Sir Rosales. Rebound by Sir Yagu. Pass to Sir Rosales. Rebound by Sir Rosales. Still by Sir Rasi. Gandang pasa doon. 2 shot para kay Sir Rasi and foul jersey number 27, Sir Falia. And that his first personal foul, third team foul for Team Red.
Magkakampi 26.
First shot is no good.
Ay no, 26. Ito, 26. May salamin ka.
Second shot, para din mo jump for the second final throw. It's good. The total score is 23-26.
Ayun, 26 din.
Sir Rivas ng pamana. Foul counted. Jersey number 99. Sir Megan. Rebound para kay Sir Iago to Sir Rosales. Tumama kay Along. Sir Iago. Rebound by Sir Rosales. To Sir Falia. Bola papunta sa Team Red. Sir Villamor, Sir Macyan, to Sir Rasi. Hindi kumonekta ang pangalimang 3 points. Sir Riva sa atake na naman. Blocking foul. Coming from jersey number 2, Sir Rasi. First personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining is 51 seconds. 51 seconds. Bandang ball road movement noon. Wala. Nakakuha ni Sir Rasi. Binigay kay Sir Villamor. 3-1 situation. Side step in to Sir Rasi. Lazy up. Basket.
Haba ng ano niya.
Sir Ribas. Ayan na si Sir Hampton.
Sinabi bang bias?
Foul again. Jersey number 99. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining is 28 seconds. First shot is no good. Second shot. No good pa rin. Rebound by Sir Fernan. Sir Villamor. Shot clock is down to 10, 13 seconds. Crossover. Shot clock is 5, 8 seconds. Sir Iago. Nasunod na ni Sir Macyan. Inabot ng oras. End of our out of bounds, Brown Gymnast ball. Foul counted. Foul jersey number 8. Pushing foul. Sir Villamor, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para kay Sir Ribas.
Sino yung kumuha kay Ate?
It's good.
Ano kung meron?
Mamaya pala.
All 20.
Wag mo silang lang.
Sir Villamor. Rebound by Sir Ribas. Sir Sabala, 2. Still out of bounds. Gandang assist nun. Sabala connection. Villamor, pass to Villamor. Fires. No good. Rebound by Sir Sabala. Pass to Sir Canayong. Sir Canayong in and out. Side step in. Rebound ni Sir Sabala. Tinayuan lang ang mga red gun. Rebound plus 2 points by Sir Sabala. 2 points by Sir Villamor. rebound by Sir Palamberjo. Sir Palamberjo, didiskarte, susukat. Rebound by Sir Sabala. Sir Sabala, pass to Sir Rivas, to Sir Tanayong, to Sir Rivas, grabbing ball movement. 10-second shot lang. Sir Sabala, 4-3. Tapos lang, makawali Sir Cabas. Sir Cabas, pass to Sir Villamor. Sir Villamor, mabangga, aatake, titira, wala. Rebound by Sir Sabala. To Sir Rivas, to Sir Sabala. Unselfish play inside, step in. Rebound ni Sir Cabas, wala pa rin. Sir Rivas to the rescue. Two.
Sabi ko sa'yo, nakakatakot yung
Sir Fernando, wala. Rebound, Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Cabas. Sir Cabas to Sir Canayong. Fake. Sir Canayong, didiskarte. Bounce pass para kay Sir Sabala. Ang gandang hulog doon! Grabing ikot ng bola sa team ng Brown Cheetahs. At dahil yan, mapapatay. Line ball by Sir Cabas, 2 points by Sir Palambero. Reaching foul by Sir Cabas. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot para Sir Palambero. Aborting. Sablay, ang pangalawa. Rebound para kay Sir Sabala to Sir Sabala. Sir Palambergo, behind the back, makakula Sir Villamor. Pass to Sir Palambergo, still by Sir Villamor. Sir Villamor, hook shot, wala. Sir Canayong para sa rebound to Sir Sabala. Sir Sabala to Sir Rivas, to Sir Sabala. Rebound by Sir Sabala. Behind the back pass to Sir Rivas. Traveling. Sir Palambergo. Crossover to Sir Fernando. Susukat. Pasa kay Sir Palambergo. Binibilangan ng referee. Sir Ramos. Kapus. Rebound by Sir Fernando to Sir Villamor. 1-under is no good. Ang goal! Ang taas ang talo na yun. Sir Sabala para sa rebound. 3-1 situation. Sir rebound. 2. Sir Palambergo, atake, susukatan ng 6-footer. Wala, rebound kay Sir. Ay, muntik na. Kay Sir Falla, umod ng poso, hindi pa rin makakukonekta. Sir Rosales for the rebound. Ayun na, Sir Hampton. Tinapag lang sa ring. Effortless. Ayun, tinatawag na effortless layup. Sir Macjan. To Sir Fernan. 2 points. Sir Hampton, ang bilis lang transition na yun. Sir Falla, wala. Rebound, Sir Palambergo. Sir Fernan, Sir Macjan, ay nailang sa 6-footer. Talagang nakakailang ang 6-footer na iyan. Sir Iago. Pass to Sir Falia. To Sir Iago. To Sir Rosales. Fire. Rebound by Sir Rasi. Crossover. 4-1 situation. 4-3 situation. Sinarile. Gandang layup nun. Pass break para sa cameraman. Cellphone. Basa. Tamaan yung cellphone. Ayan na. Foul! Counted! 3 points. Foul jersey number 75. One shot para kay Sir Rasi. O kompleto kaya ang 4-point play. First personal foul, second team foul. Basket. Sir Falia to Sir Rosales. Pass to Sir Falia. To Sir Iago Babawi. Wala. Rebound by Sir. Hindi nagkaamuyan ang dalawang leon. Hindi nagkaamuyan ang dalawang leon. Sir Sabala. Crossover. Aatake. Susubukan ng defense ni Sir Fernan. Porting. Wala. Rebound ni Sir Falia to Sir Rosales. Wala. Rebound Sir Sabala. Talunan para mga Texas. Labanan ng Cheetah at Leon. Support para kay Sir Sabala. Foul Sir 75 Sir Iago, second personal foul, third team foul. Sir Magyan to Sir Sir Rosales. Out of bounds, Red Lion ball. Nakadampot ng bola dun, Sir Hampton. Siya na rin ang baba ng bola. Ibibigay kay Sir Sabala.
Pagtapos ito, ka na.
Sir Sabala to Sir Hampton. Effortless shot. No good. Rebound by Sir Falia. Still. Shot clock is down to 11. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Foul, Sir Rosales, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Pinapahirapan si Sir Hampton ni Sir Macyan. Warning for penalty, warning for penalty. Parang nanunungkit lang naman ka. Steal! Sir Magyan, pass to Sir Rasi. For 3. Bang! 3 points.
Ano bibili mo, te? Bavarian.
Bavarian, ang lagi naman.
Doon ko nga bumibili.
Pag bumibili ako dyan, pag naka-e-bike ako.
Ang lapit lang.
Sir Falia para sa rebound. Tumama sa luya. Bola papunta sa Red Lion. Sir Fernan. Morning. Sir Sabala. Setting the play. 5 seconds. Basta na naman narinig nyo ha. 5 seconds.
Tiraga!
All report now, referee. referee's decision, may mga referees tayo na mag-decide.
Parang hindi. Maganda yung ano, yung Glad to Glow, mura lang, 300 lang. Para na siyang scientific. Usin niya yun yung Glad to Glow na pink.
Magmahal lang naman yung Skintific nung meron ng endorser. Nasa Watson na si Skintific.
Dati pa! Dati ko pa nakikita yung scientific sa Watson.
Ito sa Watson.
si Badek ako na.
Yung Glad to Glow, wala sa Watson.
Sa Watson ako bumili ng Skintific.
Madami scientific sa Watson.
Ayoko na ng function.
Pangit cushion. Meron silang ano te, skin tint.
1 out of 2. Official score 45-49.
Kung ano lang mabili ko, bala ka.
Foul counted. Eleven pushing foul. Foul counted by Sir Rivas. Rebound by Sir Fernand. Sir Abdon for the rebound. Two points by Sir Carnayo. All 49. 50-49. Sir Rasi Jumi. Panglimang tres. Sir Carnayo, pass to Sir Rivas. Sir Hampol, two. Turnover.
Okay lang, apat.
Still by Sir Fernando. 3.
Tingnan! Go, go!
Ginamitan ng muscle. Sir Sabana to Sir Nagnayo. 2 points.
Guys,
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sir Fernando, sinungatan ng 6-footer. Basic basketball.
lima lang yan, guys.
Rebound by Sir Fernando. Steal by Sir Amton. Pasir Kanayong, 2 points. $62-55.
Last shot.
Still by Sir Kanayong. 5 minutes substitution.
Mayroon ka, mayroon ka.
Shot clock is 3. Basa na naman maririnig. By Sir Bernard. Still by Sir Faria. Gandang pasa. Pasa pa yun. 2 points by Sir Iaco. Rebound Sir Fernan. Still by Sir Falia. To Sir Rivas. O, anong tawag? Meron tayo. Out of bounds. Sir Fernan. Parang nilapag sa ring. 3 points. Sir Rivas on the move. Umuko pa sa ere. Sablay. Akala pasok na. Rebound by Sir Fernan to Sir Rasi. Nice pass to Sir Falia. Ganda, nakita pa si Sir Rosales. 2 points by Sir Rosales. Sir Fernan, susukat. Tutok. Points. Shot ng Sport Team. Out of bounds, last touch para kay Sir Malambergo. Banggaan ng dalawang kalabaw. Boom! Ayun! Oh! Pinsip! Offensive foul. Turnover. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Sir Rivas, 2. "55 seconds. 50 seconds. Still by Sir Rosales. Gandang paso sa Sir Yagi. Sablay na naman, rebound Sir Rivas. Tinutok na naman sa ring. Sir Rasi, 20 seconds. Sir Yagi, 2 points. Yaku. 5 seconds. Ah! 3 points.
Hindi ako nakapag-iwan. Walang problema. Naalala ko sana kung tayo dalawang buwan sa'yo. Buti di pa ako maalis.
Sir Cabas, 2.
Ah, saan pa lang kanin ka? May ulam ba to? Nandun lang ako ano. Hindi pa ako kumakain ng pangaliwa. Oh, kumain na lang. May kanin ka ba?
Sir Fernand, 2. Sir Hamdo, para poste.
Iban na yan! Iban na yan!
Para poste yun. 3 rebound. On strong. Sir Fernand, 2. Rebound, Sir. Foul, Sir Canayo. Two points by Sir Cabus. Five to shoot. Sir Sabala. Another rebound by Sir Sabala. Pupuwersa! Basket! Still by Sir Fernando. Lazy Rock. Sir Sabala para sa rebound. Nice assist. Nice fake. Back to Sir Fernando. Third over. Time out! Red Lions. Back to the ball game. 40-point lead for Team Ra. Rebound by Sir Ramos. Nahatapo ng sabaw. Para nakakita. Sir Hapton. Sir Rivas. Sir Rosales. Wala. Rebound by Sir Palambergo. Sir Ramos. Wala. Sir Hapton para sa rebound. Pass break kay Sir Iago. Out of bounds. Same ball, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Parang gusto pumasan ah. Foul, jersey number 8, holding foul. Second personal foul, first team foul.
May ano ba kayo? Naman ko kanina. Ito talaga.
Rebound by Sir Villamor. Nice pass. Sir rebounds. All alone. Basket.
Dalawa kasama. Tatlo, apat na kayo.
Ilan time out namin? Dalawa pa? Ilan?
Sir Palambergo. 2.
Enriquez.
Excuse me.
Si Saba.
Lima na kami. Nagpamulot lang yung dapat lima. Dapat. Mag-18, nabay-sabay.
Eh, lalaki pa naman nagiging nun.
Sir Hampton. Basic.
Tama.
Patulan. Malaki siya.
Out of bounds.
Stop, break.
Substitution. Sir Rivas. 2.
Lalo na yan, yung malalaki na ako. Ano ba sa bahala? Ayan, meron kang iba. Nilagay ka yung malalaki.
Two points by Sir Rosales.
Tatakot na nga ako, nilagay.
Okay na. Sukatan na ang 6-footer. Time out!
Ang galing mo.
Shoot! By Sir Rosales.
O, 20 lang. 20 lang, oh. 20 lang yan. Ispasan nyo kay Pitong. Shot! Pitong! 3 points!
Tira kasi ng tira ko si...
Sige niya, kayo na lang.
Pagod na yan, sir.
Tawatak mo ba? O, ayan o.
Ayun o.
Pitong!
3 points.
Tamad ka na isa!
Alat.
Wala pang margin!
Para ko na sa ano.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Maganda po doon.
Kaboring.
Bago pa lang kasi. Bago pa lang.
Parking daw, ano daw, yung parking daw ginawang ano eh.
May-ari daw yun niya.
Same ball.
May-ari daw yun.
Paalong nga. Bakit
Usap-usapan daw nila yung kaalong plata doon.
Paalong yun, diba?
Salamat, tira.
Yun ang true. Paalong yun.
Salamat, tira.
Project niya yun. Hindi yung all.
May-ari si Along. Robinson may-ari nun. Yan ang isa.
1 minute. Sir Rosales.
Saba, saba.
Tinanggap na nila. Tinanggap na nila.
Nakalaban nila to sa Erchi yung round.
Sasabihin na ako ng kalaban.